In question 1, there are 120 teachers in a school. Their ages are represented by the cumulative frequency graph below. So write down the median age. Now, when you're doing a cumulative frequency or analyzing a cumulative frequency graph, the important thing is to divide the cumulative frequency into 4 parts. So we take it as going from 0 up to 120. That's the total number. We have 120 teachers. So we take 120, we divide that by 4, and we get 30. And so we split it up into 4 parts. We go from 0 to 30, then we go from 30 to 60, and then we go from 60 to 90, and finally from 90 to 120. This 60 value, the halfway value, is your median, is your middle value. So that's going to give you a median value. This 30 value is going to be your first quartile, and your 90 is going to be your third quartile, and the difference between those two will be your interquartile range. So let's just see. So write down the median age. So we go to 60 and we go across here, and then we go down, and we see that our median age is 45. Find the interquartile range for these ages. So as I said, we've got to find it at 30, and we've got to find it at 90, and then we have to subtract the two. So if I go to 30, I go across here, and I go down there, that is about 37. So that's 37. And then I go to 90, because this is 3/4 of the way. And I go down here and I'm at 53. So that's my third quartile. So my interquartile range is going to be 53, the third quartile, minus the first quartile, which is 37, and I'm going to get 16. So 16 will be that value. And it says, given that the youngest teacher is 21 years old and the oldest is 72 years old, represent the information on a box and whisker plot using the scale below. So in this, we don't need to worry too much about how wide we make this. There's no scale on the vertical axis. The scale is all on the horizontal axis. So we start off with our median. Our median is 45. So we draw a line at our median. We can make that the width of this box something reasonable. So that's our median. I then go to my first quartile, which was 37. So I draw here 37. Now, I'm not going to be as accurate as you would be on the whiteboard here. And then 53. So I'm over there. 53 is about over there. And this forms the box. Now we've got to put the whiskers in. So 37, 53, that's right. We're going to put the whiskers in, and that's from 21. So we're over there, so we're at 21. Make sure that you read the scale. Each of these small blocks here, spaces, is equal to 1. So that's going to be just one space along is 21. And it goes all the way to 72. So we're over there. And that will be your box and whisker plot will look like that.